Look at this beautiful automobile. Wow. What a sexy vehicle. And it's really nicely done. Look at that. Front slip, side skirts, convertible, tinted all the way around, carbon fiber mirrors, wheels, nice badging, all updated. I love this color too. Then it's got the carbon fiber wing. I think he'll need the diffuser next. I'm gonna talk him into that. He needs to get the diffuser. But this is what it sounds like before, guys. And it's the M430i. It's very quiet. Way too quiet. Here's sound decibels. BMW is very good at keeping it quiet. My voice is louder than it. So, let me get closer for you guys. Go ahead. All right, stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, now this is with its sport. Go ahead. Yeah, it's a little bit louder. Here's sound decibels again. 87, so it brought it up a couple of points with the sport mode. All right, guys, stay tuned. There's that sexy blue BMW. Look at that sexy blue convertible M430i BMW 2.0. Look at that massive pipe. Anyways, there's the cat up there. Then this crunch down 3-inch pipe. Then we have to make our own custom crunch down 3-inch pipe into a high flow 3-inch cat instead of the cat resonator combo. Then we have to crunch it down a little bit here. I hate to do it, but we had to clear that center support because it's a convertible. And then the 3-inch continues and crunches down again, and then it crunches down over here. And then we put a custom 3-inch in 2 1/4 out pipe to match the tailpipes on each side. That's why we did that 2 1/4 there with a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see all the way back into his sexy factory tips, because we wanted to keep the original look on it. So there you go. Keep the original look, but no more sound. And then there's usually a valve right here. We took it off and put it in here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's inside of there, zip tied away, nice and covered. You can't see like we did anything on it. Right there. There's the huge muffler that was on it. It goes in right here and comes out on this side and comes out on this side. So it was really, you know, dampening the sound of this car. And then the cat is over there. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. And like always, like, comment, hit that. So this is the cat resonator combo on this BMW. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside. There's the cat on this side. See, there it is right there. The cat on the inside. And there's the biscuit right here. It goes from here to here. It's a small biscuit. And then the other side, we flip it over, you can see straight through resonator. Look at that. And the resonator starts from here all the way to here. Crazy. See that, guys? That's what it looks like. And it's a pain. I wish BMW doesn't do this oval look on it. It's just a lot of work for us to do it, make it oval, to make it fit. Same thing on this side. You see that? That oval shape is just weird. So we crimp it and just make it. What do you guys think of these air vents? They're for show. I don't see any openings on them, but they look badass on this car. They widen the look of it, which works. Look at that. That's clean. And it is a convertible, soft top convertible. Nice. I like the lights on it. What do you think, Juan? You like it?
I like it.
You want one?
Can you give me one?
I can get you one.
All right, yeah.
All right. I'm gonna have to adopt you though. Here's the look on the inside, guys. Look at this weight. Very nice, very nice. I love BMWs with this, the leg extender. It works phenomenal when you're on trips. They really went all out on the extra cushioning, I mean. Wow, I like it. I like it. I like the blue stitching too. It matches nicely. There's the double screen. Woo! What a sexy car with ambient lighting too. That's idle, guys. There's idle RPM. Right at 81. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. It won't let us rev it higher. Put it in sport. Right at 101, like 103. You like it? He likes it. That's all we care about. Just wait till you get on it. Your sport. Yeah, it is a little bit louder. That's in sport mode, guys. Go ahead. There you go. Here's sound decibels. 101, 102. You like it? No! Why? Why?
You guys are just piping on 60 miles per hour.
Yeah. Oh, it's so deep, guys. Wow. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And it's the M430i. It's very quiet. Way too quiet. Here's sound decibels. BMW is very good at keeping it quiet. My voice is louder than it. So, let me get closer for you guys. Go ahead. It's deep. That's idle, guys. There's idle RPM. Right at 81. Go ahead. Here's sound decibels. It won't let us rev it higher. Put it in sport. Right at 101, like 103. You like it? He likes it. That's all we care about. Just wait till you get on it. What a sexy car, guys. Wow. Got the 360 on. He's gonna take it down the road for us. Very nice. I like it. perfect stance, dude. It looks so good even sitting still. Much better. Drive off number 2. Enjoy, guys.